how to post Reels on Instagram. The earlier update of Instagram doesn't allow Reels to be posted by the user. And before, once you tap on the Reel specifically, it will only mute the Reel and won't be stopped in any way. But the recent update of Instagram allowed the users to post their Reels that they are watching and doesn't mute it. So now if you go to your Reels section right here, instead of being mute after tapping on this one button right here, it is paused. But another way, if your Instagram is not yet up to date, all you have to do to post the Reels that you are currently watching is to hold it or press it down so that it would be posted and the Reels that you are watching are freeze. But the easier way to do this is just to update your Instagram to its latest model and post it right away. So that's how to post Reels on Instagram. Hope we helped.